Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in front of Biserica. Yeah, that place. You can kind of see it back there, but let me show you the name and then we'll go inside and take a look. So I've been here a few times and they've never been open as well. So let's go take a look. So this is what it's called. It's called, where's my phone at? There it is. Biserica Kretzulescu. And so this is what it looks like. And it's interesting because it has two pillars on top like this, and it's an old church too. I've taken pictures of it, but I've never gone inside and seen the inside. So let's go do that together. So I'm gonna have to be quiet. I've taken pictures of this porch, but I don't think I ever made it inside. And now that I'm looking at it, maybe I have. But, you know, you've been in one church, they're all the same? No, hang on. Oh, no cameras.